Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start English Load 3, Day 8, book page number 1414 and workbook page number 1919. Now take out your English reading book. Turn page number 1414. Look and say which letter? K. K sound is K. K, keys. K, kettle. K, kiwi. K, king. K, kite. K, kangaroo. Okay, look at the lower part. What kind of clothes does the king wear? A. Option is right or B? B. Tick the option B. Now practice writing K. Hold your pencils, join the dot one by one. Write capital K and small k. Now take out your English workbook. Turn page number 1919. Today I will tell you how to write letter K, small k. Recognize and color. What is this? K ka kettle, K ka kangaroo, K ka kettle, K ka kangaroo. Okay, firstly take black color. Make dark outline like this. Then light color inside. What is this? K ka kettle, K ka kettle. Next, take red color and make dark outline like this. Then light color inside. Make dark outline. Then light color inside. Like this, okay? This is K ka kettle. K ka kettle. Next, take brown color. Firstly, make dark outline in kangaroo. What is this? K ka kangaroo. What is the color of kangaroo? Brown. Then light color inside. What is this? K ka kangaroo. Like this, okay? K ka kangaroo. Now look at the lower part. Trace and write letter K. Join the dot one by one like this. Okay? Now I will tell you how to write K. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 lines. Firstly, we will make a straight standing line till third line. Okay. Then we will make a slanting line downward like this. Then we will make one more downward slanting line like this and curve it. Which letter? K. K sound is K. K ka kettle, K ka kangaroo. Stay standing line till third line. Then make a slanting line. One more slanting line, then curve it. Stay standing slanting line and curve it. Stay standing line, slanting line, one more slanting line and curve it. Follow this pattern and complete your work. Now we are going to start Maths Load 3, Day 8, workbook page number 2 to 22. Take out your maths workbook and turn page number 2 to 22. Recognition of numbers 0 to 20. Write 0 to 20. Hold your pencils. We will write 0 in full box like this, okay? 0. What comes after 0? 1. Straight standing line. Okay. Next 2. Curve, slanting line, sleeping line. 2. What comes after 2? 3. Half circle. Then we will make one more half circle. What comes after 3? 4. Straight standing line, sleeping line. Then we will make one more straight standing line by cutting the sleeping line. 4. 5. Sleeping line, straight standing line. Then make a half circle. 5. We will write 5 in full box like this, okay? What comes after 5? 6. Slanting line and close it by half circle like this. 6. What comes after 6? 7. Sleeping line, slanting line. 7. What comes after 7? 8. Make a smooth circle like this. Then we will make one more smooth circle. What comes after 8? 9. Straight standing line and close it by half circle in left hand side. Okay. What comes after 9? 1, 0, 10. What comes after 1, 0, 10? 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. What comes after 1, 9, 19? 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. Next, shapes region. Trace and color the circle red in the picture. Okay, look at the tree. Firstly, we will trace the circle like this. Join the dot one by one. What is the color of circle? Red. What is the color of circle? Red. Join the dot one by one like this. Now take red color. Firstly make dark outline. Then light color inside. Again join the dot one by one. Then make dark outline, light color inside. Okay, follow this pattern and complete your color.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद करती हूँ आप खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं उर्दू दिन 8 बुक सफ़ा नंबर 39, वर्ब बुक सफ़ा नंबर 28, 29। अपनी उर्दू की किताब खोलिए, सफ़ा नंबर 39। Today letter is Hamza. Today letter is Hamza. Hamza a Zaika. Hamza a diary. Hamza a diary. Hamza a Zaika. हमज़ा कहाँ पे इस्तेमाल हो रहा है इस लफ्ज़ के दरमियान में, और यहाँ पर ये दरमियान में क्या इस्तेमाल हो रहा है? हमज़ा। हमज़ा आ जायका, हमज़ा आ डायरी। किसका जायका मीठा है? मिठाई का या करेले का? मिठाई का। किसका जायका मीठा है? मिठाई का। नाउ मार्क द टेक। अब हम करने जा रहे हैं वर्ब बुक का काम। टुडे वर्ब की शनाख्त करें और रंग भरें। शनाख्त करें और रंग भरें। फर्स्टली ट्रेस द हा। हा हे साउंड इज हा. हे हा हॉकी. हे हा हॉकी. हे हा हाथ. हे हा हाथी. हे हा हाथी. Firstly, make dark outline. Look at this. Now color the picture inside. Look at this like this. Now complete the color and turn the next page. Open the page number 2929. Open the page number 2929. शनाख्त करें और लिखें. शनाख्त करें और लिखें. हम हा. हे हा हार. हे हा हार. Firstly trace this letter. हे हा हार. Make slanty line, then round like a small circle. He ha hard. He ha hathi. Now write it. अपना बाकी का सफ़ा बिल्कुल इसी तरह मुकम्मल करें. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़.